Let's talk garlic.
Well, these all look like they're doing pretty good. Let's plant some garlic.
Time to plant garlic.
After a week of nice weather, and in a week of drizzly, miserable weather, is cooling off. Forecast says we're going to get some frost. Let's take advantage. Remember, your garlic needs a little bit of frost time, whether it's a hard neck or a soft neck. I didn't even mulch back around this garlic that I got sloppy and didn't pull, and it started coming up. We got some brown on some of the green when it froze down the other night, but it's snapping back just fine. And right here where I snuck that garlic out of the kitchen is coming up really well. But this patch back here, we've got some nice soft ground, doesn't have very much mulch on it, so we're gonna go ahead and put more garlic here. I got a nice patch of cilantro coming up on its own, and I got a couple garlic back here that evidently I missed. But just like all garlic, you just break this apart. Garlic comes in cloves, and you just break them apart. Don't worry about the paper and the deep mulch, it just becomes part of the mulch. Place them about a bulb's size apart. That's about a bulb. They're going to want to be in full sun. And you want the pointy end up, of course. Sometimes your seed garlic going to have a bad spot in there. That one's no good. These are fine. They're good and firm. That one's not. And if they got any mold on them or you can squish them, don't worry about planting them. But there's a bunch of cloves on here that are pretty good. We'll see what we get. This bed seems like it drains really well. You do not want your garlic sitting in water. It may rot. Now there's two kinds of garlic. There's your hard neck and your soft neck. Your soft neck comes up kind of like this with fronds. Your hard neck is going to have one stalk. Your hard neck is the one that puts on the scapes, which runs up for flowers. I believe they both do, but that one's more common. Those are delicacies, so you want to pinch those out if you're growing hard neck. I'm growing soft necked here. The hard neck needs more cold time than the soft neck. Soft neck will take milder climates. The soft neck is a little milder tasting, and it puts on quite a few more cloves, as you can see here. But I got quite a little bit more to plant, so let me get after that. This is just how fast you can plant these. Once you break them out in your soft soil, I don't plant these very deep, and I'm not going to mulch these back. I intend for them to get some frost on them. I just poke them down in till just about the point is sticking up. Then we'll cover them back. Just make sure you're covered. This soil is good and damp. I think we're in good shape. We're going to go ahead and let that frost up, and we're going to have another little patch of garlic. Our Swiss chard got a little sun on it. They've snapped back after that cold weather. They did fine under the plastic. Everything in the cold frame looks like it's enjoyed the last few days of cool, rainy weather. The forecast does say we're going to get some frost. Don't fret about it. Get some garlic in the ground. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.